Good afternoon. Now, in previous lecture, we discussed about the hard water and hardness of water. So, hard water means water containing calcium and magnesium salt, either in the form of bicarbonate or in form of chloride sulfate. So actually in industry we use much more amount of the water in boiler for steam generation. Boiler is a system to generate steam. So what problems are created by hard water in boiler? So here see problems created by hard water in boiler. Somebody says why soft water is used in boiler? Because of all these problems. So what type of the problems are created by the salts dissolved in water in boiler? So here you see this is the boiler feed water. बॉयलर में ये पानी भरा गया है. Suppose this water is hard water. Hard water means containing calcium bicarbonate, magnesium bicarbonate, calcium sulfate, magnesium sulfate, calcium chloride, magnesium chloride nitrate, aluminum sulfate, iron carbonate or sulfate. So these salts create problem. So how many types of the problems are observed in boiler? So this is the scale formation. पपड़ी बॉयलर के इनर सरफेस पे एक क्रस्ट जमा होती है. क्रस्ट यू कैन से हार्ड क्रस्ट. Here, suppose this is the boiler. I will explain here. Just see, this is the boiler. Water is filled in the boiler. By constant heating, we generate steam. So crust is formed. And this crust is harmful with respect to so many regions, and therefore we should not use hard water. We shall discuss about the scale later on. So one problem is scale formation. Second problem is sludge formation. कीचड़, you can say कीचड़, mud. Kachara. That is called as the sludge. Third is the caustic embrittlement. Caustic embrittlement is a type of the corrosion which damage metal. Metal can crack, it can be just changed into sodium formate, sodium ferrate, and then change into iron oxide. That is known as the rust. So we shall discuss about the caustic embrittlement. So this is the third, problem. This is the third problem created in the hard boiler due to hard water. Boiler corrosion, you know corrosion, the metal degradation process. corrosion, जंग लगना, तो है क्या? मेटल डिग्रेडेशन प्रोसेस. Metal degradation process means metallic character is lost. So this corrosion in the boiler may take place. Foaming, झाग बनना. अगर ये वाटर हार्ड वाटर है, इसके अंदर यदि अल्कलिनिटी क्रिएटिंग साल्ट इसके अंदर, जैसे सोडियम बाइकार्बोनेट अगर पानी में घुला हुआ है, so it will change into sodium hydroxide and water becomes alkaline. If oil is present, so foam will be formed and foam is harmful. And preaming. Just you understand what is the preaming. Preaming means formation of small droplets. When we boil water, water will change into vapor, steam is formed. So pure steam, no water content. But due to presence of salts in water, preaming may take place. Means small water droplets becomes associated with the steam, and if the steam passes through the pipe or in machine, the droplets of the hard water containing salt that will damage the pipeline, and therefore it is also problem. So these are the tree of the problem. So this is the boiler containing hard water. So how many problems can be created? Scale formation, sludge formation, caustic embrittlement, preaming, foaming, and boiler corrosion. So now we shall discuss one by one. First of all, we should consider scale formation. Scale formation. Scale, I told you, scale means a hard crust which deposit over the inner surface of the boiler. So, how this can be formed? Scale. Scale can be formed if the hard water contains calcium bicarbonate. So, when water containing calcium bicarbonate, it is boiled for steam generation, we boil it, what will happen? This calcium bicarbonate will change into calcium carbonate, just like this. Calcium bicarbonate will change into calcium bicarbonate, change into calcium carbonate plus H2O. Calcium carbonate and plus carbon dioxide, you can say like this. So this calcium carbonate, it is insoluble. insoluble. So calcium carbonate is insoluble. And this calcium carbonate deposit in the inner surface of the boiler. Inner surface of the boiler. So we have to avoid calcium bicarbonate, means we have to remove calcium bicarbonate salt if it is dissolved in water. Means we have to soften. पानी को हम सॉफ्ट बनाएंगे. सॉफ्ट बनाने का मतलब कैल्शियम बाइकार्बोनेट साल्ट को हम रिमूव कर देंगे. अगर रिमूव कर देंगे तो ये प्रॉब्लम क्रिएट नहीं होगी. So in this way, this is one of the reasons for scale formation. If the hard water contains calcium bicarbonate, calcium bicarbonate will change into calcium carbonate like this, which is insoluble, and it will deposit over the inner surface of the boiler. Now, second, by hydrolysis of the magnesium chloride. Magnesium chloride having magnesium ion. So magnesium chloride will get hydrolyzed and giving magnesium hydroxide. So this is the magnesium chloride plus H2O. It will give magnesium hydroxide. Magnesium hydroxide. So this magnesium hydroxide is also insoluble. Insoluble. It is also insoluble. So you can say like if you take like this and you will get 2HCl like this. So this insoluble magnesium hydroxide, magnesium chloride is soluble. It is dissolved in hot water. When we boil water containing magnesium chloride, what will happen? Hydrolysis, interaction with the water, interaction of salt with water, that is the hydrolysis. So in this way, magnesium chloride will change into magnesium hydroxide, and your insoluble precipitate is formed, which deposit over the inner surface, and it forms scale. This magnesium hydroxide also forms scale. Now, third, by increasing concentration of calcium sulfate. This is very important because solubility of calcium sulfate is much more in cold water, near about 3000 ppm. Calcium sulfate dissolves in water up to near about 3000 ppm. ppm is the unit of concentration. But if you increase temperature ranging 200, 250, 300 degrees centigrade, so what will happen? Solubility decreases, means solubility of the calcium sulfate decreases with the increase of the temperature. Very simple. Calcium sulfate soluble in cold water. If you increase temperature, solubility will decrease. And what will happen? If solubility decreases, then this calcium sulfate as such, it will deposit over the surface of the boiler. and when it deposits over the surface of the boiler, it forms a hard crust that is called as the scale. So in this way, the presence of calcium sulfate salt in hard water also causes scale formation. Silica, you know, SiO2, silica, SiO2, SiO2, silica. When it is present in water, so it will deposit as a calcium silicate or in the form of magnesium silicate. Silica is present in water, calcium salt is present in water. When it is boiled, what will happen? Calcium silicate will be formed, and this calcium silicate will deposit over inner surface of the boiler and scale is formed. So in this way, these are the process of scale formation over the surface of the boiler. Now, what are the problems created by scale? You can say the sir, स्केल बन गया क्या फर्क पड़ता है? पड़ता है. स्केल इज ए इंसुलेटर ऑफ हीट. हीट को ये पास नहीं होने देगा. हीट को जब आप बॉयलर को गर्म करते हो तो क्या होगा? बॉयलर हीट को लेता है, बॉयलर का जो मेटल है वो हीट होगा, इट विल ट्रांसफर हीट टू द वाटर. वाटर को हीट ट्रांसफर करेगा और वाटर जो है स्टीम में चेंज होगा. सिंपल प्रोसेस, यू ऑलरेडी अंडरस्टैंड इट. नाउ सपोज देयर इज ए स्केल फॉर्मेशन ओवर सरफेस ऑफ द boiler. So we were discussing about the formation of scale. So scale reduces efficiency of the boiler. बॉयलर की कार्यक्षमता को यह प्रभावित करेगी. कैसे प्रभावित करती है? हमने आपको बताया कि स्केल इंसुलेटर ऑफ द हीट मीन्स इट कैन नॉट कंडक्ट हीट. सो इन दिस वे व्हाट विल हैपन? इट वेस्ट मच ऑफ द फ्यूल. आप बहुत ज़्यादा हीट जनरेट करने के लिए, क्योंकि स्टीम जनरेट कम होगी. अगर मेटल से, बॉयलर मेटल से पानी को हीट ट्रांसफर नहीं होगी तो स्टीम कम बनेगी. स्टीम बनाने के लिए फिर आप क्या करोगे? आप ज़्यादा हीट देने के लिए फ्यूल का इस्तेमाल करेंगे, और फ्यूल का जब इस्तेमाल करेंगे तो ज़्यादा फ्यूल खर्च होगा, फिर भी आपकी हीट जनरेट, स्टीम जनरेट नहीं होगी. तो यही एक प्रॉब्लम है स्केल का. दूसरी बात यह है कि आप बहुत ज़्यादा फ्यूल का इस्तेमाल करोगे तो मेटल ऑफ द बॉयलर का टेम्परेचर बढ़ेगा. वो टेम्परेचर ट्रांसफर वाटर को नहीं हो रहा है, पानी को नहीं हो रहा है, तो होगा क्या? मेटल का टेम्परेचर बढ़ेगा तो मेटल की जो स्ट्रेंथ है वो कमजोर होगी. बार बार उसका हीट आप कर रहे हो और स्ट्रेंथ कमजोर हो जाएगी तो बॉयलर बर्स्ट कर सकता है. कभी भी स्ट्रेंथ कमजोर हो गई. दूसरी बात यह है, कभी कभी ये जो स्केल है कहीं से क्रैक कर जाती है. बहुत एक्सेसिव हीट देने पर ये स्केल क्रैक कर जाती है और क्रैक जब करती है तो वहां से हीट बड़ी तेजी से ट्रांसफर होती है पानी को, और एक बैग स्टीम जनरेट होती है, दैट आल्सो create a problem, boiler may burst out. So in this way, scale formation is a problem. How scale is formed, I explain. Now second thing, how scale can be removed? By thermal shock. Thermal shock. Boiler को, so here you heat the boiler and cool down. Heat and cool. So what we have, this is thermal shocking, and in this way you can say, suppose this is the boiler and this is the crust. So by thermal shocking, this crust may break down. This crust may break down. Break down. So in this way, you can remove scale. Second, by dissolving in EDTA. EDTA solution. EDTA solution, what is EDTA solution? EDTA means ethylene diamine tetraacetic acid. Tetraacetic acid. So this is the EDTA. So prepare EDTA solution. We get a salt of EDTA, that is known as the ethylene diamine tetraacetate, sodium tetraacetate. So prepare solution and dissolve the scale in it, because all scales having calcium and magnesium salt. So all these salts are soluble in EDTA, and therefore scale formed over the inner surface of the boiler will dissolve in EDTA, and our boiler will function perfectly. Calcium carbonate scale can be removed. You know calcium carbonate. Calcium carbonate is soluble in hydrochloric acid. Calcium carbonate is soluble in hydrochloric acid, that is the HCl. HCl. So prepare 10% hydrochloric acid solution and add the calcium carbonate crust deposited over surface of the boiler, that will dissolve and that can be removed. There are another method also, that is the phosphate, sodium phosphate. Sodium phosphate. You add sodium phosphate in the hot water, scale cannot be formed. No scale formation. Calgon, you use calgon, sodium hexametaphosphate, calgon. So sodium metahexaphosphate If added in the water, no scale will be formed. So in this way, very efficiently, we can prevent formation of the scale, and if scale is formed, we can remove scale by using all these methods, by thermal shock, by dissolving in EDA, calcium carbonate scale can be removed by 10% hydrochloric acid solution. So, in next lecture, we shall discuss about the sludge formation, removal of the sludge, what type of the difficulty are created by the sludge माने कचरा. एक ही आप दिमाग में रखिए कि बहुत सारे सस्पेंडेड पार्टिकल्स होते हैं वाटर के अंदर, वो सभी इकट्ठा हो जाते हैं और वो सतह पे, पानी के सतह पर वो फ्लोट करते हैं. तो एक समूह बनता है कीचड़, जिसे आप कह रहे हो हिंदी में, अंग्रेजी में हम स्लज करते हैं. यह चिपचिपा होता है, लूज होता है, इसको हम आराम से दूर कर सकते हैं. लेकिन अगर हम दूर नहीं करते हैं तो यह बहुत बड़ी प्रॉब्लम क्रिएट करता है. तो वी शैल डिस्कस व्हाट इज द स्लज, हाउ स्लज कैन बी removed, how to prevent sludge formation in the boiler. So we shall discuss it later on. Thank you.